How to extract audio on CapCut PC. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys a quick and easy way to extract audio from your video on CapCut PC. So let's jump right in. First thing first, you're going to have to open up your CapCut and then simply click on Create Project to create a new project. Then you're going to have to import your video. So I'm just going to import this video right here. Then you can click on this plus icon to add this to your track. And once you add the video to your track, what you need to do next is go ahead and right click on the video that you want to extract audio from and click on this extract audio option. So as you can see, the audio has been extracted right here. So let me just play this. First, let me just unmute my desktop audio here on my screen recording so that you can hear it. So as you guys can see here, the audio has successfully been extracted, so you can adjust the volume of it, you can change its length, so you can do whatever you want with it. And that's how you easily extract audio from CapCut. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.